Hello, our Nom Nom viewers. Today we are going to see our new fridge tour. This is our fruits and vegetables tray. This is how my mom stores her green chilies. This is our kids tray. We store juices, yogurt, flavor yogurts, and our favorite chocolates. This is our vegetable box. Here my mom stores her herbs. We placed 3 separate trays to store veggies. This is also a vegetable box, but we have stored homemade chili powder, turmeric powder, and other curry powders. This is our bottle trays. Here we store chocolate sauces and all other kind of sauces. If you cook Chinese rarely, then buy these kind of small pouches of sauces to avoid wastages. Wrap a newspaper or a tissue paper on the bottle which you use often so that it don't spills. Change the tissue paper when it gets messed to avoid dirty trays. And here is my dad's favorite olives. Here we have our Nutella, Milkmaid and jams. Here we have coffee powder, fish tin and chia seeds. This is our dairy box. We have butter, cheese slices, let's check what is in our freezer. We got fries, masalas, try to place transparent trays. Here we placed a tray to avoid milk spills and meat bled. This is our ice maker. We placed our dry fish, and spring roll sheets here. Hope you enjoy our fridge tour. Do subscribe, like, share and comment down below. See you next video guys. Bye.